You like it too, right? Yeah. Hi foodies, and welcome back to another episode here with me on Lynn's Caribbean Kitchen. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how I do a sweet bread. Sweet bread is a heavy bread made with fruits and coconuts. So if you want to see how I did this recipe, keep viewing. If you're here viewing and you haven't yet liked and subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell to see when I upload more videos. When we talk about sweet bread, a good sweet bread, we talk about grating on coconut. So you don't want to use shredded coconut because the quality, the texture is not going to be the same. You want to get down and grate that coconut. To begin, I'm going to first start by preheating my oven to 320 degrees and greasing my pans. I'm using butter. You could use oil or spray as well. Next, I'm going to be sifting my flour and cutting my cherries into quarters. Some of them I'm going to leave whole. For flour mixture, I'm going to first mix my flour with baking powder, salt, okay, so I'm going to mix that in. Next I'm adding cinnamon and my nutmeg. Set it aside. So I'll be doing my coconut. Now keep in mind that you want to grate your coconut and not shred your coconut. So you don't want to go shredding the coconut. So it's best to try and grate that. So fruit and coconut carry natural sugars. So you would want to reduce the amount of sugar that you put into your mixture. So after you put together all those fruits in there, you just want to turn this up. Next I'm adding butter. What I did, I cut the butter for it to thaw faster. You want to use soft butter. Now we're going to prepare to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, next I'm adding 2 cups of milk. Be careful that it doesn't overmix this with bread. So I'm going to be placing this in my baking pans. Adding some mixed peas to the top there, followed by my cherries. I'm using whole cherries to the top. You could also cut the cherries in half and place them to the top. It doesn't have to be whole cherries. So now I'm going to place this in the oven, which I'll bake for 55 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare to do my glaze. Now this is the glaze to the top of the sweet bread. I'm just using sugar, brown sugar and water. So it's 55 minutes later and yes, my sweet bread is out now. Now it doesn't look too pretty at this point because it's still white at the top, but that glaze gives it that nice brown sticky look. So I'm just placing that all over. Don't miss a spot. So you see the color is coming in with the glaze, right? I don't know sweetbread without a drizzling of sugar at the top. So you want to lightly drizzle this with white sugar and place it back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And here we have it. We have our sweetbread. So before we cut this, you want to make sure that it cools down in temperature. If not, it's going to break. I'm turning it out of my pans and I leave it to further cool down. After your sweetbread has been cool, you want to cut. You're going to add some cheese to your sweetbread, and then you can serve this for breakfast. You can serve it for dinner and have it nice with cheese. Trust me, just remember I said you need to try this, right? I'm Lynn saying thank you for joining me once again on another episode of Lynn's Caribbean Kitchen. As I always say, it's better belly buzz than good food waste. Until next week, see ya!